Listen, $100 million rounds are not just money thrown around. They're a wrecking ball smashing the old ways of investing that everyone's been stuck with for decades. If you're tired of the slow grind, the endless rounds, the same tired dances with VCs who don't get it, then this hits home. Because here's the deal, this kind of capital changes everything, and if you don't understand it, you're about to be left behind while others leap forward. First, the frustration. You know it well. You're hustling to get a $1 million or $5 million seed round, spending months convincing investors who want to control your every move, who keep asking for proof instead of faith in what you're building. Meanwhile, the traditional players cling to old models where they pick slow, safe winners and forget about bold bets. It's frustrating, exhausting, borderline suffocating. You feel stuck in a cycle where capital is scarce, deals drag on forever, and your vision keeps getting chopped down to fit a mold that was designed for a different era. Now the anger. Why is it that the few companies landing $100 million plus rounds are rewriting the game? Because they are breaking out of the noise, commanding attention, demanding a seat at the table where rules get made instead of followed. These massive rounds mean investors are no longer just partners, they become active players, reshaping markets, rewriting norms, and yes, pushing out anyone too slow or small to keep up. This shifts power in a brutal, no-nonsense way. It centralizes resources, but decentralizes opportunity for anyone not ready to scale at light speed. Here's where most miss it. These rounds aren't just about money, they're about mindset, about infrastructure, about the insane pressure to deliver not just an MVP, but a market domination plan from day one. They force founders and investors to stop playing defense and start playing offense, to break habitudes, challenge slow-moving incumbents, and leverage networks that multiply their impact far beyond the capital itself. That means you can't just think about your product or your pitch deck. You have to think about your entire ecosystem, the partnerships, the talent, the global reach, and how you build not only a company, but a movement that scales exponentially. If you want to ride this wave instead of being crushed by it, you need to stop begging for scraps and start thinking like the players who command those big rounds. Here's the brutal truth. Build a story so big that $10 million looks like a joke and $100 million the minimum. That means stop selling your product. Start selling the future you and your team will create. Investors with deep pockets don't invest in ideas. They invest in armies, in communities of believers who can multiply effort and influence. So stop thinking like a lone wolf and start building a network that can carry you beyond borders and industries. Next, don't confuse this with reckless spending. Those $100 million rounds come with merciless expectations. You're not buying time, you're buying velocity. You must restructure your entire operation, from hiring, marketing, technology to culture, around rapid, measurable growth. You have to obsess over unit economics, scale with surgical precision, and build feedback loops that accelerate learning every single day. If you can't turn $1 into $2 fast enough, that capital will become a heavy anchor, not a rocket engine. Here's the kicker. The biggest shifts happen outside comfort zones. The traditional investment world values steady predictability. Those mega rounds reward audacity. If you want to harness this power, you need to kill your attachment to caution, to playing small. Push your product into markets you don't fully understand. Hire people smarter than you. Burn the rulebook on business models. Experiment fast, fail fast, pivot faster. The capital is there to fuel disruption, not maintenance. Also, you cannot do this alone. The old silent partner, VC, is dead. These rounds come with investors who expect intimacy, total transparency, and brutal honesty. Build that relationship or lose the game. Share your worst problems first. Be obsessive about accountability. Align incentives so every decision screams growth and impact, not safety and tradition. Finally, remember that this isn't the world of build it and they will come. In today's climate, $100 million rounds are a declaration of war on the status quo. They're an invitation to the few who believe they can reshape the future, who see traditional investments as slow cages and want to break free. So, if you feel that tension inside, the one that won't let you settle, get aggressive. Go find those rare investors who think big, who move fast, and who want to build something that lasts beyond just a few quarters. Act now. Stop begging for crumbs. Start demanding the capital and the trust that lets you run at full speed. Build that ecosystem, double down on your growth engine, embrace brutal clarity, because this is how $100 million rounds aren't just changing your check size, they're rewriting the whole damn playbook of venture capital forever. And if you don't get on board, someone else will. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.